It doesn't matter what kind of lock you have on your door if that door isn't properly engaged. We had an intruder. This is my story. My story goes like this. My son was helping me unload the car after a shopping trip. We were leaving the door open a crack for each other as we carried in packages. I guess we got caught up in putting away our purchases and left the door slightly open. I remember seeing it open several hours later. I closed it. I was assuming everything was fine. I assumed wrong.
Mike, wake up.
What?
There's something on the balcony.
What? No.
Something's moving. Seriously, can't you hear it?
Wait. Shh. Yeah, I don't know.
Now it's in the living room. It sounds like a squirrel.
Send the dogs. I'm tired.
Mike, get up. We have to go see what it is.
All right.
Well, at least I'm not crazy. I told you there was a squirrel in the house. Oh, great. That's gonna solve the problem right there.
We have a baby squirrel in the house. How'd he get in? Fireplace?
I have no idea. He's big, too. Like,
My guess is fireplace he probably pushed.
but I'm
He
looking
came
at the
down the fireplace and then he pushed the little door open?
No, the door is closed.
Maybe he came down another fireplace.
So we launched Operation Catch a Squirrel.
He's gonna drop in the bucket.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh my god. You wanna rethink your plans?
You can just hold this net here if he drops into the net. Just don't forget and push the net through the window. It's okay, little guy. Okay, come on. Okay, he might jump off there. I'm good.
Okay,
I'm good.
come on. Come on. You can go outside. You'd be so much happier outside. You know where we are. Oh, Jesus!
You're alive. Where'd you go? Turn around, welcome. Where is he? Tell me where he is.
He's over here in this corner.
Are you sure? I thought I heard a sound. Are you sure?
So this chapter will end at our fireplace. We kind of tracked him here, and I think I hear him inside wiggling around. I think he's up behind the insert. So we just put a grate in front of it, and we're gonna go back to sleep, and we'll check to see if he's in there in the morning. Hopefully by morning we'll be able to capture him more efficiently and release him outside the house. All right, just ran in the dining room.
Are you serious?
Yeah. He's just running around down here. All right, we're going down because Sarah needs a Milky Way. I think I hear him. Yep. Oh my God, he just flew from that window again. Now he's by the fireplace.
All right, it's currently 6:45. We're sitting outside our mother's art room with the door plugged with a pillow. The dogs are freaking out. We're watching. We have a GoPro set up and we're streaming the feed to my dad's phone.
Peanut butter plate, peanut butter plate, peanut butter plate in the bucket.
And then we have a lid to the side, so when the squirrel, by the way, we're trying to capture a flying squirrel, jumps out and into the bucket, we open the door, we put the lid on the box, and we take him outside. Because he is wreaking havoc. He climbed into my room at 6:30 in the morning. He was in the living room at 2:30 in the morning, jumping from, can we get the angle from here? That window in the lower right, the top of that windowsill, onto the couch, and then running all over the house like a crazy person.
So he was 6 feet high and he made a 12-foot jump.
It's pretty good. He's crazy.
He definitely pulled his arms out and glided.
Yeah, he's definitely a flying squirrel.
He's in the hallway.
Oh, he went back into the room.
We have managed to catch a baby squirrel. Which door?
We'll put him out the front. Hey, Mom, you want to see when we let him go?
Are you guys on it?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
in my hands right now.
Is he squirming?
Your hands.
Yeah, he's in a towel.
Is he squirming?
No, he's being really good.
Good. Come on.
Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna go over
Aww.
here. Okay, sorry, buddy. Don't let him run back in the house.
Yeah, keep the door
Step out,
closed.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh my god, he's so. Oh my god, he's so.
Oh my god, he wanted to get back in!
He parkoured off you.
Oh my gosh, there he is!
Where is he?
He's over there now. Oh, he's here!
Is he back?
He's on the thing now.
Oh my god!
He doesn't want to leave us!
What is he doing?
He desperately wants to get back in.
He wanted back in the house.
So that's the story about the flying squirrel, our little uninvited guest, because yours truly left a door ajar. Hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel for more auto, home, and tech adventures. While you're down there, leave a comment on the video or feel free to share a story of your own. Hey, do you like watchmaking or want to learn watch repair? Check out my other channel, Watch with Mike, for all kinds of watch lessons and wristwatch adventures. That's Watch with Mike. So for now, be good, be well, and be safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye. I fixed it.